Welcome back to Wind Down with Lee. What you see on my face right now is my moisturizer, which is, let me show you, Pond's. Oops. Goofball. Good old Pond's. Yeah. So I've already primed my face, which I've used, what is it called? Thatcher's or something like that. Thatcher's? Yeah. So can you go cut that other TV off or down, please? You think he gotta drag his feet like that? Big old goofy shoes. Now, let me grab my mirror here and work on these brows. Look at there. Bow. Alright, my brows are done. So I'm gonna apply some of that Laura Mercier translucent powder here to the lid, just to set it from creasing just a little. Try to bring you guys in a little closer. My True Complexion contour palette, and I'm gonna use the Sculpt color, which is the one right in the middle. 402 brush from Real Techniques, and apply it all over. This is my It blending brush. I'm gonna take the darker color, which is the contour color, and I'm gonna place it just here. That. And I'm gonna use sweeping motions and sweep it right inward on my crease. And going back in with the Sculpt color right here on the lid. Right now, I'm going to throw on the little lashes, and I'll be back because lashes are lashes. Okay, so now lashes are on. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Juvia's Place in the color Tanzania, and my color brush that my mother-in-law got me to apply. One bag, one sound. Looking at this color in me. I don't know about it. Looking a little yellow. Just try to smooth out everything. That is that. This is my NARS Creamy Radiant color Amande or Amand or Amand, whatever you call it. I need some more. Don't seem like I have that much of this remaining. Do I have enough to get through the scraping the bottom of the barrel? Bottom of the barrel. Made it. Made it alert. Made it. Barely, but I made it. Now I'm feeling a bit happy with that. And oh, I did not wet my sponge. I'll be right back. Gotta go wet my sponge. Back. Damp. Beauty blender. And I'm doing my highlight before I do my contour this time, because the last time I kind of blended it in together by mistake. Not good. Give it some contour. left-handed. Then this is the Sigma PA8 brush, angled brush. Use that to kind of blend this out. No extra product, just going back over. I went a little lighter than I normally do with the contour because I just wanted to try that almond color to see what it would look like. What you see, young lady, you see. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my Mented Cosmetics Mented Cosmetics medium deep loose setting powder, and I'm going to use this in on top of the parts that I highlighted. And what I'm doing is I'm going to, of course, press it in. You already know this from previous videos. And if you don't, and you're new to my channel, you can always go back and look at my previous videos where I explain thoroughly on every step that I'm doing. I'm sorry, I'm not being very thorough tonight. Okay. Oh, and that is my E4 brush by Morphe. And then I'm going to go in with the Mented bronzer directly where I just put the same stuff. And this is the Morphe E58 brush. And this is the Mented bronzer. And I'm going to apply this everywhere I placed the contour, the dark contour. Then I'm gonna go back in with my MAC setting powder. This is NW48, and I'm gonna use this right in between here, right directly under. I normally do like the snatched scope look, but instead of doing that, I'm just gonna go in and apply this. And then a little directly in between both here, just to make sure that I have my color back in and I don't have like a line of my favorite word, demarcation, between the contour and the highlight. Okay, too easy. Bam. Now going back in on my nose with my IT brush. This is the 137, and I'm going to apply that same Mented translucent powder, not translucent, Mented setting powder, medium deep, on my nose. Right here. Right on the same spot. Then I'm going to go back in with that Sigma brush that I put the contour on with on my nose, or that I blended the contour with on my nose. Use that same brush and apply the setting, the bronzer. Now most of the dirty work is done, right? Right. Alright, so I'm gonna apply my setting spray. Don't worry, I'm not done. I didn't mean like I'm not done with the setting spray, but I'm not done with the look. Oh, I forgot to brush off the powder off my nose. Well, let's see what happens. Let's see if I set the powder on my nose, what it looks like. Where's my pen? Slow down, Leandra, slow down. This powder just set in. It's just set in. Okay. And I'm gonna go in with my Japanese brush, Milani highlighter duo. It's called Double Shot. There's a cream and a powder. Man, open up. Open sesame. Is it my nails? Alright, got it. No. I like to use this one. The GOALis. Well, I don't know if you can really tell there, but that, yeah, that one. The GOALis, the golder looking tone. Placing it here. A little here. Let's say glow, glow, glow. But yeah, I don't want to glow too much. When I want to glow from the stars and the moon and the sun and the shine. I don't want to do all that. Not all that glowing. I'm going to take my IT brush, same powder here, and place it right here on the tip of the nose. Then right in the center there. And then I'm gonna take my finger and rub it dub. Thanks for the grub. There. And I'm just making sure this is all blended and seen. And then I'm gonna take that same brush, apply some here. Okay. And then I am going to go back into this palette, which is really not a palette, but it's a palette today. And I'm just looking for my little brush, my little E53 brush. Where are you, baby? Come here, baby. Put that in. Ah, there it is on the table, huh? All right. Sorry, E35, not 53. Right. Take that. Take some of the darker color right here. Take my Coca gel pen. Go in my waterline here. Then I'm going to take my primer, lash primer. This is a Dior Show lash primer. And yeah, so what I did forget to do was prime my face. But other than that, this is it. I will apply some lip liner, lip shine, all that good stuff. But yeah, we'll be back. Let me know what you think down in the comments about the look, because it's still cute, right? I think so.